We hear what the sound is actually like from this black hole that's essentially given off this big burst of energy from the regions around it. So not the black hole itself, because nothing can escape the black hole, but the regions around the black hole in this big cluster of galaxies. The gas is dense enough that you can get this pressure wave or a sound wave traveling through that gas and then recreate that pressure wave, which is also very, very, very low in frequency, but then we pitch it up about 50 octaves so that, humans can actually hear it.